In this video, we're going to commission your UrSpring. Please ensure that you watch the previous videos in this series on how to install a UrSpring. Prior to commissioning the system, please ensure that all impurities from the installation are flushed out, as these can damage the membrane. The filter cartridge is preserved with a food preservative solution from the factory. This must be flushed out as part of the commissioning. When the system is turned on for the first time, the controller will ask you for the module serial code, which is supplied with the filter module. Please refer to our short videos listed below regarding how to enter the code and other regional settings. To assist with de-airing the system, first open the valve or tap downstream of the system. Now slowly open the feed valve to the system. Water should begin to flow out of the drain valve downstream. You should rinse out approximately 500 liters or 130 gallons. Refer to the UrSpring inbuilt flow meter to keep track. Ensure that the rinsed out water goes to drain and is not used for consumption. After the flushing is completed, slowly close the drain valve. The flushing is now complete and your UrSpring is ready to produce water. Should you need to change other settings, please refer to our other videos or the Wissesbox Knowledge Center.